We're catching up. We got Cliff. It's Cliff. It's Cliff. We're better than that. Catch it. What is up, Cray Nation? What's poppin'? We're here with the cousins. Show the cousins. There's more. There's more. They're about to come. For today's video, we're gonna be doing canoeing. We're gonna see who's the first. We're gonna go canoeing. We're gonna see who can swim and who can't swim. And what do you mean who can't swim? We're gonna swim? Yeah. What if the canoe? You would have freaking thought. I'm not swimming. We might die. Those that can't swim, I'm sorry. You know how your eye is gonna swim back to shore. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get to canoeing. And yeah, guys, peace. Just watch this.
What if you write some big punch?
I missed the first time.
Doesn't like doing it. No, he did.
Good shit. I'm playing. No. What's the plan?
Oh, bench on you. No, No. I go on the floor and you push him in and I go.
Yeah.
No, let me explain so you got it.
Alright, look. Hold on. So what's the plan?
So we're gonna bench Jack.
Yo, wake up. It didn't work.
Let's run away from them. Ready? 3, 2, 1, run! You guys are losers. Alright, guys, so we just found out that we can't go because we forgot our money. Stupid Chris. And now we have to go back. I just don't want to walk no more. Yo! She's calling you.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where we left you guys?
We kept walking. Keep walking.
Yeah, keep walking. Don't worry. We're almost there.
Yeah, hurry up. Keep walking. All right, bye.
Bye, ugly.
Down over there.
You can see you.
I see them. You see it?
They're right there.
Alright, we're about to do a scare plan. We're gonna scare them. Yo! Oh shit, that was
Got them good.
yeah, good. For it.
I'm looking for Frank's brother.
I just see Brian.
A few moments later.
Yeah, put them on.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Put them on. You guys ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
No.
You ready? I'm ready. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Alright, guys, while we wait for my brother, because he's over there, we're just gonna be chilling until they catch up to us, because we're gonna race on these canoes. Yeah. Go. They're coming. Where are they?
They're right there.
Oh shit.
Behind us.
Alright, guys, we're gonna see who's gonna win. I don't know. Oh, we're lit. Imagine my phone falls. What? What's poppin'? Alright, so how was your day? How's your day?
Good. It's been good.
It's good. Yo, so if I fall, I'm dead. This is hard to drive. Alright, let's go fast. Oh, I almost fell. Yo, I just said, who needs life support? You know, we don't need life support. We're taking it off. You see, we're being savages. We're waiting for my brother. We're trying to race. 3, 2, 1, race. Yo, we gotta win. We gotta beat them. You got in the lose. I'm pedaling. Calm down. We're catching up. We got Cliff. It's Cliff. We're better than that. Catch it. Go. So we're taking a break because it's too hot and we lost our race. I think we lost already. So they got stuck.
No, Frank, go back.
No! Frank! Iceberg! Just because they wanted to be cool.
They want to make a race thinking they're faster.
They're not fast. Yo, honestly, I don't even know what to do. Oh my, we're stuck. Frank,
What happened?
look what you got us into.
Not my fault, bro. I told you not to make me that driver.
You want to switch?
How you gonna switch?
We just stand up and
Alright,
switch.
go then. Go.
Yo, Chris, this shit flip, bro. Hurry up.
Oh no!
Yo, oh shit! Oh shit!
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Let's go.
No, go back. Go back. I can't. No, go back. I'm too scared.
You have one job. Just switch seats.
Oh no!
Oh! Stop! I'm scared. Stop. Yo, how the fuck am I gonna go now? I'm trapped, bro.
I'll go backwards. I'll go back.
Stand up.
Hold it.
No, I'll go back. I'm gonna drive. Fuck! Alright, let's get out of here. Can't no more. I can't no more. Guys, I cannot more. Yo, it's so hot. Let me rest. What? Let me put my feet in the water. Oh my god, I think I found the love of my life.
Go in there. Go into the.
Can I propose to you? Hey, miss. Frank, turn! Frank! Oh my god, Frank. Go backwards. Frank. Yo, baby, where you going? Yo, this is tiring.
We didn't even make it that far.
Yeah, because we keep playing around. I'm tired already. I wonder what Brian's doing. Guys, was this a good idea?
Yeah, nah, kinda. But we worked for an hour just
We're
to
burned. We're all cooked.
We paid $80 for no reason. Right, this is so hard.
Good night, guys. Yo! I'm stoned. Chill out. Go. Yeah. I'm not playing with you. Yo. What?
That's all Black Shadow. Go forward.
Wait, what did you see, Shadow?
Yo, Shadow.
You were screaming.
Oh my god, guys. Never again. I'm never doing this video.
Yo,
I am so tired. We finally got out. It's been.
We got waters too.
I had to pay, right? Nah. I don't know why you guys are still there. Look at them. They're all the way. Where the frick are you guys? We won.
watch the video.
So you guys lost. Bye. First, we saw spiders. So yeah, guys, that was the vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed that mini vlog. And yeah, guys.
I had a good time, yo.
Shout out to all my little cousins that were in our vlog today. We love you guys. And yeah, go follow them on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. And most of all, share our videos if you like it. Comment down below. Make sure you let us know what is your favorite part of the vlog. And if you guys
And
want
pick
more,
a team who you like first. Mine's or his, bro. I feel like it's mine.
my team was lit. If you guys want more vlogs like this, just let us know. And yeah, guys. we
See you
sign
guys
out.
in the next time. New vlog coming, what, every week now?
Yeah, every week.
Every week is gonna be vlogs. So yeah,
New
guys,
vlogs.
skits every
Skits on Instagram too, and TikTok, and yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys, we love you guys so much. And yeah, guys, Coronation is out.
Thank you guys. Peace.